Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a hyperlink in Cougar courses. So I'm in my extra credit folder. I'm just going to show you an example. This is not a real assignment that I'm going to be submitting, but it will be a link. So I have my Google Drawing open. It's an example. I have my name so that it's very clear what the name of the file is so I don't lose it later in Google Drive. It says my full name and the name of the project. So I have this ready to go. The first thing I need to do is to make sure that this is shared. So I need to get the shareable link, and I need to make sure that anyone with the link can view. This is saying anyone at this university can view. I need to change this so that anyone with the link can view it. That way, when I submit it, my professor is going to be able to access it. Once I have that set, you can also do public if you'd like, but this will work as long as you send the link. I'm going to press save. So now I know that I have my assignment viewable. Click here. I'm going to press Command C and it's going to copy, or you can press this, it's up to you. And then I'm going to press done. So now I have my link copied. I'm going to go to my assignment. And it's important to write accurate information. I don't want to write lowercase example. I want to write my full name again, so it's clear who is submitting it. And then I'm going to write the name of the assignment. In this case, it's just example hyperlink, because this isn't a real assignment. And then to create my link, I will click and drag across until I've highlighted those words, and then press this picture of the chain link. You can also do Command K. This is unlink, but we're not using this right now. So I'm going to be clicking link, and this is where I can put my URL in. So this is where the link itself goes that will pair with the words I've chosen. So I'm going to press Command V. That's a shortcut for pasting. You can also go to, I believe it's File, paste, edit, paste, edit, paste. I usually do it always with Command V, but you could do it from up here if you'd like. And then it's very important to click open in a new window so that when your teacher opens it, it's not taking them off their page where they're trying to grade, and it's giving them a new tab where they can view your assignment, grade it, and then return without having to lose their progress. So now I'm just going to press create link. Check for spelling, make sure everything's correct, and if it is, just go down and press Save Changes. And I'm going to double check and click Example Hyperlink, and as you can see, it opened a new page. Here's my example. So that is how you submit a hyperlink in Cougar courses. Thank you for watching.